As someone who was in the church every Sabbath, we would get updates about what had happened on the site the week before, right? Somebody was always up there, like Enos Levy, right? Get up and give an update and tell us what was going on and what the kinds of tasks were that they were going to try to accomplish the next day. Here's what time they were going to be on the work site on Sunday. That was just a regular part of the church service. It was a huge part of what it meant to be in the community at that time, was that Sundays were on the work site. And I do remember it being very, we're going to try to pour this concrete, right? It did change as it moved along, right? To like, we're going to need to clean up these things. And so you might not feel like you can do some construction, but you could bring some paper towels and you could they were really good at saying, here's the kind of tasks we need and here's who all could be involved in it, right? Because it wasn't just about the men who knew how to do construction, right? It was everybody's part of the community. Everybody's welcome to come out. We've got tasks for you. It was right around the time that the school was going to be able to open that it was the 50-year anniversary of the church. And that was a huge part of the marketing and the inspiration and the look at all we've built for the last 50 years. We're going to keep building. We had a huge church celebration for the 50-year. Big deal church service that was used very much as the impetus to now we're going to build the school.